back, YouTube. This should be the last time you see this motherfucker looking like this. Starting to work on it now. So, fixing on this shit. Gotta get this together. Front, I went ahead and ordered 2 new fenders. Got a lot of other shit on the way. There's fenders for it. Got my paint on the way. So today should be the last day you see this motherfucker like this. Next time you see it should be either primed down or painted. Stay tuned. So I'm getting it ready.